3.8 minimum percentage of steel. So according sa code sa section 9.6.1.1, a minimum area of flexural reinforcement, a sub S minimum, shall be provided at every section where tension reinforcement is required by analysis. So bakit kinakailangan na i-counter-check natin na yung provided na mga steel area natin against the minimum na steel area? According dito sa commentary, this provision is intended to result in flexural strength exceeding the cracking strength by a margin. So yung objective nito is to produce a beam that will sustain loading after the onset of flexural cracking, with visible cracking and deflection, thereby warning of possible overload. Beams with less reinforcement may sustain sudden failure with onset of flexural cracking. So in practice, this provision only controls reinforcement design for beams which, for architectural or other reasons, are larger in cross-section than required for strength, with a small amount of tension reinforcement required for strength. So ito naman yung ating mga equations para sa ating minimum na steel area. According sa section 9.6.1.2, yung minimum na steel area natin shall be the greater between equation A and equation B. So whichever is the greater value between these two, yun yung magiging or yun yung mag-govern na minimum steel area natin.